Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well and that you enjoyed today's video. In today's video, I'm going to explain step by step how to publish your own listing on Etsy, especially if you are a beginner. For this tutorial, I will be uploading my small business bundle insert so you can follow the same process for your own digital or physical products. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your product is saved in a folder on your device. This folder should include your main product file and a few mockups or thumbnails. Once everything is ready, open Etsy and go to your shop manager. Next, click on listings and then click on add a listing. Now, Etsy will ask you to choose a category. For this product, I will select business category, then choose business card or inserts. Then I will choose digital file because this is a digital product. And then who made it? So I did. What is it? A finished product. So when was it made? So I will do recently or 2020, 2025. And who is this created? Created by me. Now we are on this page where we put our title, so what we are going to sell. So put it very clearly. You can ask ChatGPT for your title. Then we will upload some files here. So once we have added our title, then it will take us to photos and videos. So over here you are going to put your thumbnails, or you can say mockups, which will show on Etsy shop that what you are going to sell. So make sure here are just the thumbnails, not your the main file, because the main file we will upload underneath, not here. So you can add up to 20 listings here. So I'm just going to add 4-5 photos so that viewers know that what I'm going to sell there. Once all of these are added, now I can see my main thumbnail is there, and now there is a digital files. So now you will put your main file over here, which your buyers gonna purchase and they can download. So here will I will gonna upload the main file. So my file is uploaded now. Now I need to write some description over here. So for this, I will go to ChatGPT and ask for a description, so which I already done. So what I will do, I will just copy and paste. So now you can see here's my description, which is very nice, where I have described that what are the printed details, this card perfect for whom, why you all love it, and what is it. And now we will go to price. This is very important part, obviously. So you will gonna put your own pricing. You can put it's up to you, you can put any of the pricing, and it will also show you the estimated earnings, which is $5.71, and in the quantity you will always put 999, because this is a digital product. And this material colors is optional, you can choose and put the color which you have used, otherwise it will be fine. In the tags, this is your main thing, so you have to put here some tags so that when buyers search on Etsy your card pop up. So I will put something here: business card, thank you card, business insert, printables, 5x7 card. So I will put like that and then add over here. Once I done this, so there is nothing actually left to write or to describe. So now over here you will see renewable options, which is automatic or manual. So I've always choose automatic, which is recommended as well, because when you your listing will expire, it will automatically renew, and it will expire after 4 months. And also each listing on Etsy, we need to pay 20 cents for each listing. So I paid that 20 cents, and then I only able to you know post this listing on Etsy. And now I will show you uh, my listing, how it looks like on Etsy. So now you can see this page and you will go view on Etsy, and there we go. So now my small business order insert bundle is here. People can buy, and here is my description and everything is there, you can see. So this is the way you can upload your listing on Etsy, and you can start selling your products on Etsy. And that's it for today's video. I hope this step-by-step guide help you understand how to publish your first Etsy listing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Etsy and small business tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.